Okay, vertical shifts. Let's first off look at 2 plus cosine x. Well, first off, let's look at our cosine x. Here's our normal cosine x graph, right? It starts at 1, up at 0, 1. Well, basically what's going to happen is I'm going to take these points right here and just move them all up, what? Just up 2. And if I move them up 2, it looks like that. So notice all the 2 did was move it up 2 from the bottom points went up there. The high point there at 1 went up to 3. And technically my zeros of the function occur on that line right there where the 2 is where these zeros would be. Alright? So now looking at this here, suppose I want to graph secant, 2 plus secant x. Look at my cosine graph. Where the valleys are maximums, that's the minimum for these others. Notice that's at 0 right there, and it's at 3. There's a 3. Well, it says 2.9, so 3 is right there. And this is at 1. Notice the high point is at 1. And the asymptote would be right on that line right there I talked about, which is at pi over 2. Pi over 2 would be right here. 3 pi over 2 right there. The asymptotes were at the same place. It's just the whole graph just moved up 2. Well, what would the cotangent look like? Well, notice here's a regular cotangent. Look where your zeros are. So what do you think is going to happen to that? If I added plus 2, it's just going to move it up 2. Up 2, up 2, up 2 is all it did. So it's still, cotangent snake down. It's still going to snake down, but it's going to snake down a little bit higher up right there. And that's all that particularly happened. All right. So that's what a vertical shift does. It just moves up or down.